Welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Vinco Ventures INC, where we can see instead of volatility the stock has been moving higher. So if you observe the chart carefully, you will see an uptrend instead of a big volatility that we have seen over a period of time. So let us discuss about the opportunity what we have here. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button. Also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now this is one of those stocks which I have covered last month. Hopefully those who have seen it, they would have get a probable or better entry on the downside because the stock has already started moving higher. So what we have here, if you observe the chart carefully, as I was saying, that instead of volatility, so volatility is something which is very much which has very much influenced the chart over a period of time, as you can see, and the stocks can move in a very random fashion. So as you can see, as we have entered into 2001 to 2022, how the stock has moved over a period of time. So this kind of moves are really scary sometimes, because if you have entered in a wrong place at a wrong time, then you could probably lose a lot of your amount that you have invested in. So let us discuss the important things or important aspects, what to enter, where not to enter. So primarily on the downside, you have 2.18 and 1.98. So these are going to be your two most important support as well as your stop loss, whereas 2.18 is going to be your immediate support and 1.98 is the stop loss that we are looking at. Overall, if you want, you can extend the range up to this level, right? So the level which we are looking at on the downside is going to be this one, and rather than 1.98, you can use 1.31 as well, but this is up to you. 1.98 would be a better position to make a decision if you want to hold it or not. Do not wait for the stock to again go back to 1.38. Now if these two levels, if 2.18 holds, more specifically if the stock continues to sustain above 2.18, we have couple of levels on the upside, because the stock has already crossed couple of levels on the upside as well. So what do we have here? The stock has already crossed 3.29, so we do have only one target to look at. We have 4.28 or 4.29. so this is the prime target we are looking here. Why? This is not only a target but a very big resistance. Over a period of time, we can see, more specifically in the last 2 years, the stock is actually moving, or this is the level which it takes a middle part, and the stock is moving or revolving around this line, or 4.28 or 4.29. That's why it's very important for the stock to surpass 4.29 at least this time. It has done in many times in the past, and we have seen how the stock has moved. So if the stock surpasses 4.29 and moves higher, we can have some big moves or trading moves, at least some trading moves on the upside, which we have seen in the recent past. So 4.29 is the thing which we need to look at, and here we are. After 4.29, if the stock continues to move higher, you have 5.28 and you have 6.15. so these are going to be the two important targets, or two immediate targets, that we are going to look at. And after 6.15, two more range will open up. Now whatever the things which we are looking at or which we are doing is simply a trading move, because as you can see, the moves can be very big and it can move. It has happened in the past that the stock can move or make this big move in 1 or 2 trading sessions. So that's why all the things which we are looking at is simply a trading move, and we will analyze it based on the sustainability of this price chart. So the price chart is not sustainable, and there are some huge volatility which we have seen in the recent past, which makes the stock very risky. So if you know the reward, you should understand the risk as well, and both go hand on hand. So do not go below a certain level if you are not sure what the risk is. And on the upside, the extension or the big target, at least for the time being, is in between 11.6 and 12.7. Now, as I told you, what about the risk? So always trail your stop loss. Do not go below a specific level. Also, if the stock started moving higher, you better understand that for the time being, this is a range bound and trading move which will not go beyond a particular range until and unless the stock is showing the same. So mind you, all these points are very important, and if you do not understand this, if you do not consider risk along with the profit, then no trade will become successful. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.